Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set reminder in phone with alarm. If you are using any phone and you want to set a reminder in your phone with alarm, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your calendar app, just open it, and here just select the plus icon here, and then first of all just have to enter the title of your reminder. As I'm going to enter, for example, friend's birthday here. Just enter that, and then just enable all day. From here, just select day, date which you want. As I'm going to select 12th August, for example. Then select save, so it will be saved. You can easily customize it if you want. Just tap on it, then tap on it again to customize it if you want. So in this way, you can easily set a reminder with alarm, so it will remind you. So that's how you can easily set reminder in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.